You're doing Epcot festivals all wrong. Did I just get mugged on a New York subway? Welcome to The Playbook, your guide to theme parks, cruising, and saving time and money. I'm Sean, and today we're at Epcot because you guys are all doing the festivals here all wrong. And I'm going to show you and tell you why and what to do to fix it. So in order to make your next trip to Epcot a festival here at Epcot better, here's questions that we're going to have to ask. And all we have to do is run it through the playbook. And question one is it worth your time coming here if you don't do it right? This is really good. So what do I mean by saying doing it the wrong way? What I mean is wandering aimlessly around the parks, having no kind of plan, standing in the long lines because you have no kind of a plan, that kind of thing. And that answer is no. It is not worth the time coming here if you are just wandering around aimlessly, not knowing what you're doing. So it is not a right thing to do just to come and not know what you're doing. Question number two, is it worth the money? Because, you know, it's expensive. Not just that, but it feels like some of those menu items are very, very small. I mean, like one bite type thing for like $10, and I'm like, did I just get mugged on a New York subway and I didn't get anything out of this? Like, that's how some of these things make you feel. So that's what I mean by, is it worth the money? Because, like I said, small portions, big price. Question number three, are you actually getting the best experience while you're here? So when I say getting the best experience, she knows me, and I don't do things most of the time ahead of time. Like last night, I should have been packing my stuff because we just came from the water park. We just went to Blizzard Beach and we changed to come here. And hold on. She has shoes. I have sandals. Why? Because I forgot to get socks this morning because I didn't pack last night like she did. Bad experience. My feet are going to hurt today because I'm wearing sandals. Sandals are not the best thing to use while you're walking around a theme park. And that's where it all goes wrong. So let's fix that, shall we? To the playbook. So what I would do to fix this is pretty much make a plan in order to have the best out of your day. Like look up food items. You can go on the My Disney Experience app and look up every single one of the food menus for the festivals. To make sure you don't just stand in line for something that you don't think you like it. They'll have dietary stuff, issues, things like that. You can always look up there. You can also make sure you stop and just look at if it's a flower and garden festival like it is now, make sure you look at all the topiaries, the art festival, which is my favorite festival, by the way. You can see all the art, you can buy some of the art. It's just so much fun if you actually take the time to plan a little bit, because going to a festival with like a blind, with the blindfold on sucks. It is not good. You'll never have fun, and it'll just be bad. So, but we will see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.